Look at all that chocolate. Is that for me?
No, for me. My elastic fell on my hair.
Oh, can I eat that chocolate?
No way.
Why?
Because I have to share it.
I have to share it, so I'm allowed to eat it?
Huh?
Am I allowed to eat it?
No, because you have diabetes.
What?
You have diabetes.
Oh, that means I can't have chocolate?
You can have a little bit.
I can have a little bit.
Chocolate for
Careful.
everyone!
Whoa. Look at all those goodies.
I want to grab one.
You can have some.
Mm.
Is it good?